All right, guys, here's a real quick teaser. Welcome back, Davis Auto Sales in Richmond, Virginia. Not gonna bring you all the content on this one yet, but it is a beauty. Just came in, will be for sale. Got a few of the Suburbans over here lined up. Also mentioned to you guys yesterday about an LS truck. Well, actually there's two LS trucks. One of them has arrived and going through its process. I'll bring you some content on that shortly. Might as well call it a race truck. Pretty rowdy setup with the LS nitrous. But this one here, 1978 Sierra Classic 25, not a 2500, but a 25. And trailering special 10,000 GCW. Here's the nice part. Look at the inside of this truck. Now it does need a headliner. We're going to go back with a perfect replica headliner and a dome light replacement. The dash has one moderate little crack, which we can actually repair, weirdly enough, but we're going to leave it alone. Gauges all appear to work. We've had it in the shop this morning going over it. Fuel gauge works. We're getting ready to do a VIN determination on the engine, trying to figure out if it's a 350 or 400. But this is a very original truck other than a repaint. It has had a repaint. But check out the door panel. This was a really highly optioned truck. Of course, they didn't have much power options back then, but it is an air-conditioned truck and a cruise control truck. Crazy rare options. And an ugly old brake box. We're gonna take that out, but it's error correct for what you'd expect of this time frame. The body lines and the trim on this truck are great. You can see where it had the old grandpa running boards down bottom because of the holes. Four-inch lift, brand new 35-inch tires, Toyos with alloy wheels. Some metric size tires, so it probably measures a 34. And we have not cleaned or painted underneath of it. You're seeing a raw and original. This truck does have some leaks because the engine and drivetrain appears to be very original. And we're not going to get into much of that at this moment, unless somebody wants to go the full Monty on it, which we can do, of course. But 1978 GMC High Sierra, or Sierra Classic, not a High Sierra, Sierra Classic. Dual tank truck. We've got the trim getting ready to get put in there later today. Headliner will get knocked out tomorrow. Other than that, you got a really cool classic square body here, guys. Stay tuned for this one. And again, you know the deal. If it's something you're interested in, let us know. This one will not get on the website more than likely before it sells. So give us a call or a message, 804-271-0030. That's the best number to contact us. If you're interested in this truck, drop a call, or you can message through davis4x4.com or davisautosales.com. Let us know what your dream on this one would be, and we'll carry it to that level. But you got a factory air-conditioned 25 3/4 ton Sierra Classic truck here. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Lots more to come today.